Here at US Window and Door, we offer the highest quality of products and customer service. From replacement windows and doors to our lifetime warranty on our service, we pride ourselves in communication, educating our customers, and a job well done from start to finish. When it comes to our customer experience, we value you, our process, and assuring that your confidence and satisfaction is reached every step of the way. For over 30 years, US Window and Door has proudly completed over 10,000 installs while adhering to the highest standards of quality, dependability, and communication.
US Window and Door offers a complete service, replacement windows and doors, with everything being done in-house with our own employees. We don't use any subcontractors of any nature.
We make 4 stops at a home. The first stop is the sales. That's my job. I go out, we take the measurements, meet with the people, find out what they're looking for, answer any questions. We don't give them a quote on the spot. We're not here to high pressure sale. We'll go back to the office, prepare the quote, email it to them.
It's really a no pressure sales process. We want you to be comfortable. We're not going to come in there and say you have to buy these in a day, otherwise this discount goes away. We're always trying to provide you with the right window at the right value.
Once they decide to move forward, they let us know.
Then we process their contract documents, and those go out also via email.
The next step is we schedule the owner of our company, Martin Whitmore, to go out and do the detailed measurement. Then the third call is when our installers go out and install the windows.
We do a final inspection appointment that my husband personally, Martin Whitmore, the owner of the company, will go to and will inspect and make sure that everything is being done properly according to our standards.
We've been servicing San Diego and Southern Orange County since 1987 and employ a team of 25 highly trained, motivated, hardworking, caring, and knowledgeable employees with years of industry experience.
We are a certified Milgard dealer.
Milgard is the 4th largest manufacturer in the country.
We're easily the highest rated Milgard company nationwide.
We've settled on Milgard for many years now because they provide a lifetime warranty.
Their manufacturer is in Temecula.
And the other products are manufactured at various plants throughout California, Oregon, and Washington.
The philosophy at US Window and Door is really customer service.
Customer service is the most important thing for us.
We are detail-oriented in everything. All of our contracts, all of our quotations, our clients have said, oh my gosh, this is great. I can actually see what I'm purchasing. I can read it.
We're trying to make it an easy experience for the customer.
We just don't sell just for the sake of selling. If something is not proper or there's a better way for the customer, we're going to let them know.
We're not going to offer you something that shouldn't really be installed. We're going to walk you through all of our recommendations.
If I walk into a home and the person really doesn't need a window, they just need glass repair, or I'll tell them, I'm happy to sell you a window, but you don't need a new window, you need new glass, and here's a referral for a glass company.
Our referral base and our repeat customer base is very high.
Most of the customers are very happy, of course. They actually put a lot of reviews in our website.
We cherish our reviews. We have over 300 reviews online from happy customers.
The fact that we are the highest rated Milgard dealer nationwide by far in matters of reviews, I think speaks for itself in that regard.
We make sure that we hire qualified people with great attitude, expecting the same that we expect, which is excellence and happy customers.
Our biggest asset is our installers. They're all our own employees. They do a superior job. And to have an owner that started US Windows as the installer, who's hands-on in the field, who's looking at the job before and after, makes an enormous difference in the quality of our workmanship.
When we do our final inspections, we actually have a grade sheet that we go out on our jobs. We grade every job. If the job is not an A grade, it is not acceptable.
We're going to be installing and giving you a lifetime warranty on your installation, which not many companies will do.
The product is rock solid. Our service and installation is rock solid.
We're a leader in our industry, and it shows in our work that we do and the employees that we have.
We do a good job.
To receive more information about our windows, doors, and installs, please visit our website or give us a call. Thank you.